You own a MacBook Pro 2011, 15 or 17-inch versions, then probably your MacBook is facing graphics card issues and getting stuck at boot time on a blue or gray screen. In that case, this tutorial is for you. To begin, before booting, you need to know to press Command and S. So when you press the power key before the chime, press Command S. Okay, so the computer is booting into the single user mode. Now that we are in, the first command we run is file system check. So fsck space -fy. This command basically checks the file system for errors. If any errors are found, then it says file system modified, and if you get the error at the end of this execution, then you may want to run this command again, and if it is all okay, then it will give the message volume appears to be okay. Even though this takes quite a lot of time, this is a mandatory execution. Do not skip it. So we are good to go. The next command is mount space uw /. This command mounts for the file system in read write mode so that we can create directories and move files around. Because we are moving kernel extensions around, we need a directory to keep them. Do not delete the extensions, they are very important. So mkdir, let's create the directory in root. I call it disabled extensions. Okay, so I have made a typo. Here we go. Now move into the folder systems, library, extensions. So the kernel extensions we have to move are, so to move, enter the command mv space amd 6000 controller.txt. We are moving it into the folder we created, that is disabled extensions. We do the same thing with amd frame buffer text. We move it into disabled extensions. Same thing with amd read on x 3000. .txt. One more. A last one, that's amd support. We move it into disabled extensions. Okay, so now we go back to the root of the file system, run sudo touch to update timestamps on the system library extensions. Let's verify we got all the extensions in this directory. Yes, we have 5 of them. Now we are good to go. So reboot. My MacBook seems to have a color distortion issue as well. You may or may not have it. It is usually after this screen when the boot process gets stuck and the machine starts overheating. It's usually gray or the blue with black stripes screen. Okay, so we are good to go. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Have a good day.